Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave individual links to the materials I get in this box down there below in case you just want a few things, but not the whole box. So let's see what it's going to be. And again, they gave us waxed cotton jewelry cord, so don't throw this away. It is a jewelry grade. You can use it to make jewelry, so that's nice. Alright, so here's a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. Last month was really epic. We got 4 projects because it was Christmas, and they always go all out for Christmas. They did 4 projects, and they gave us $20 coupon in this box and in the Czech Beads exclusive box. I'm going to put a picture up now of what I got in last month's box. Alrighty, so let's see, what's it going to be? We got, what is this? It's not Czech fire polish. Oh, it's an English cut. And I think that it is actually fire polish. So usually the English cuts are really rough looking, but these here are really smooth, like they are fire polished. And they might be 5mm or 6, I don't know for sure. Okay, so that's red. And then, I hope my camera is right. And then we have these. These are like half a pinch bead. They're triangles. They're cool. And this is the chalk line. Chalk blue or something like that. They are beautiful. I do have that color in my stash. And I think Super Duos, and I've used it a bunch. And then we have seed beads. I think these are 10-0. Gold line or silver lined. They're pretty. And then we have chain, and I don't know if this is extender chain or, let's see. Yes, it is. There's 2, so that would probably be necklace and bracelet. And I really hope that I'm not getting sick, because my whole family is sick. Except for me. Sick for the holidays. I haven't been, but they have. So, these are awesome. I want to call these a lattice bead, because that's what it looks like. I think I got these one other time in white. I used them in a necklace, a continuous necklace that I did. These are Picasso or travertine, maybe travertine. They're beautiful. I have 4 videos to film today. Wow, these are huge. I think these are 10mm Czech Druks. Huge! I would love to reorder these. I wonder how much they go for and how many you get. I love that little line in the middle. I guess that's just a pressed glass bead thing, because I only see that in Czech glass. It's so pretty. I've not used my coupons yet. I haven't really had time to go shopping. Oh my gosh, did you guys see my last tutorial, the bracelet I did? I'll put a picture up now. I had so much fun with that project. I wanted to get the tutorial up before Christmas, but it was too hectic. I had too much family stuff going on for the holidays, so I couldn't. So this is acid wash heart with silver wash. I've seen this in the shiny version, but I've never seen it in acid wash, and it looks really awesome. Actually, I've seen it in the graphite color, but not this color is what I'm trying to say. So I think those are really gorgeous. Yeah, I like those a lot. I feel like turquoise to me is a neutral color because it goes with absolutely everything. These are cool. This is 8mm Czech fire polish beads. These have like a paint on them. I want to say that these beads might be milky underneath of this. I'm not totally for sure. You think these would be called chalk instead of these because they have a chalky look to them, like actual chalk. And then these are Czech fire polish. I think these are 5mm. Yes, and these here also look like 5 now that I'm looking at the 5. I don't have this size in my stash. Those are really pretty, very bright. Okay, and I forgot my scooper thing. Ooh, this is beautiful. I'd like to reorder this. I wonder how much it is. This is a 10mm Czech fire polish. Well, in turquoise, but it looks like Persian turquoise. Persian turquoise is more teal, like a tealish, like a dark turquoise. Anyways, see, this is darker, a little bit darker. I rarely see Persian turquoise. I do have it in my stash. I bought a ton of them from somewhere. I don't remember where. And that was the last time I saw them. Persian turquoise. I love this bead. It's so pretty. We got this in a larger size in a ruby. I think it was a 1-inch bead. And I used it in a necklace. I'll put a picture up. I got those beads from the Czech Beads exclusive box, and that's the project I designed with it. That's beautiful. I love that bead. I think they sell those in a pack of 4. But yeah, I want to say this size is a pack of 4, and then 1 inch is like a pack of 2. These are pretty. I don't think I've seen these. I've seen them in this type of bead in purple. It kind of looks like snakeskin. It's really cool. Look at this. It's like a snakeskin texture. Okay. And then Crimp Beads. They have really nice crimp beads. You know, in the past I've had some really cheap ones, but their crimp beads are really strong. These are Picasso teardrops. I think this is 6 by 9mm or 5 by 8. They have weird sizes. It's kind of hard to tell the size of them. You gotta measure them. But I've used these before too. They are gorgeous. Sometimes I feel like the red Picasso is my absolute favorite. Even though I'm a turquoise freak, the red Picasso is just so fancy. Ooh, this is a nice chain. This is a curb chain. And it's kind of chunky. It's not very long. It's pretty short. Maybe 5 inches. But it's pretty. Okay. And then flowers. These are so cute. I think these have a purple on them. Yeah, it's like a purple, pink. Interesting beads so far. More! So I have this color in this size, Persian turquoise. I want to say mine might actually be a little darker than that. Actually, it's the same color as this. Same exact color as that. my Czech Turquoise beads. They're pretty. Alrighty, then we got bead train wire. Man, I hope I'm not getting sick. Oh, I feel like my sinuses are running down the back of my throat. These are cool. I've seen this bead before, but this has a silver wash on it. Bright silver wash. Those are really nice. Okay, and then what's this? 2 lobster claw clasps and 3 oval jump rings. 4, no 5. I think this is 18 gauge. Maybe 7mm, 8mm jump rings. And look at that. This is Picasso, red Picasso. Okay. And then flowers. This has bronze, I think, on it. Yes. This looks like it's going to be a very awesome project. See, it's like a bronze wash on the side. These are nice. Okay, I think this box is going to be awesome. I love turquoise. And I love red Picasso. This looks like it's going to be a very fun project with this color. I'm liking it a lot. So this is it. Remember, I'm going to leave a link for the BohemStyle box. I'll leave a link for it down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to leave links to the individual materials you see here in case you just want a few beads but not the entire box. Alright, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.